Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Dutch-Bangla login error fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue, the first method that you can use is check your internet connection. To do it, simply drop down from your top right to check your internet connection, and if it's weaker, simply switch it to the stronger Wi-Fi connection as well. If that doesn't work, try switching it to mobile data, and if that still doesn't work, then simply restart your router and try again. If that doesn't work, then next method is to verify your username and password. To do it, simply head over and open up your Dutch-Bangla application, and inside what you need to do is log in with your correct credentials. Logging errors often occur due to wrong capital letters, extra spaces, or saved passwords, and wrong keyboard layout as well. Always type credentials manually, not autofill. The next is by simply heading over to your home screen. Then on your home screen, tap on settings. Now inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and inside iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the Dutch-Bangla application, and then simply tap on it. And once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on offload app, and what this does, it erases the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process has been completed, all you gotta do is try again, and if that doesn't work, then what you can do is simply head over to your app store, and on the search bar type in Dutch-Bangla Bank. Then once you're inside the search results, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.